start fresh with your iPhone, a factory reset is the way to go. Today, I'll walk you through a quick foolproof guide to completely reset your iPhone safely without losing control of your data or leaving your personal info behind. Let's dive in. Before you hit that reset button, there are a few things you need to do. First, back up your data, either to iCloud or to your computer, so you don't lose any important photos, contacts, or files. Next, make sure you know your Apple ID password because you'll need it to sign out of your account. Also, disable any sync services like Health, Keychain, or Safari to avoid leaving personal information behind. Now, let's start the reset process. Open the Settings app and tap your name at the top. Scroll down and select Sign Out. You'll see options to turn off Health, Keychain, and Safari. Make sure to confirm each one. Tap Sign Out again to finish. Signing out also automatically disables Find My iPhone, which is crucial for giving your device to someone else. Once signed out, go back to Settings, then General, and scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Erase all content and settings. Then tap Continue. If prompted, enter your passcode. Your iPhone will now wipe itself clean, restart, and land on the setup screen, looking brand new. At this point, you can power off the device. It's completely ready for a new owner. And that's it. Your iPhone is now safely reset and ready for a fresh start. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.